Welcome to Automation Fan. In this video, I will share with you how to connect Google Slides to n8n. So first, we need to, in this video, we will go through 5 steps. And at the end of this step number 5, your n8n will be connected with your Google Slides account. After this, I will try to promote my n8n online course, which you can get from my website, link in the description. And at the end, I will finish with a super simple workflow that makes sure that your Google Slides account is connected to n8n. So first, I will start with a new canvas. So for the first step, I will go with a manual trigger. For the second node, I will go with Google Slides. For the action, I will go with, it doesn't matter the action, because here we are just trying to connect our Google Slides. So I will go with create a presentation, and here in the credential field, click on create new credential. As you see here, n8n is asking us for only our client ID and client secret. So how to get those two values? First, we need to create a Google Cloud project, because this is where you'll manage APIs and credentials needed to connect n8n with your Google Slides account. So first, go to this link, which is console.cloud.google.com. Then open the project picker from here and click on new project. First, give your project a name, for example, n8n-slides, and click on create. As you see, they are creating our project for us. Once created, you can select it from here by opening the project picker first, and then you will see it first in the list. As you see, now we are viewing projects called n8n-slides. Before this, okay. Now we can jump to step number 2, which is enabling the required APIs. Here I am talking about the Google Slides API to create and update presentations, and also the Google Drive API to store and access Google Slides files. So to enable those two APIs, simply go back to Google Cloud, click on those 3 lines, and click on APIs and services. Then click on this button saying enable APIs and services. And then search for the first API, which is Google Slides API, and hit enter or return. Open this API and then click on enable. As you see, once the first API is enabled, search again for the Google API, which is Google Drive API, and hit enter. This is the API we need to enable. Click on it to open it, and then enable it from here. Once these two APIs are enabled, we can jump to step number 3, which is configuring something called OAuth consent screen, because Google requires a consent screen before allowing access to user data. This screen appears when connecting n8n and informs users about first the app name, which is your project, the permissions being requested, and also your Google account trying to connect. So to configure this OAuth consent screen, simply go back to Google Cloud, and from the same APIs and services page, click on OAuth consent screen. Click on get started. Here we are creating a new app, so give it a name, for example, n8n-slides. This is the name of the app asking for consent. For this, select a support email address for users to contact you with questions about their consent. Click on next. For the audience, go with external and hit next. For the contact information, fill in an email address. For Google to notify you about any changes to your project, click on next, then check this box, click on continue, and then create. Once the OAuth configuration is created, we can jump to the next step, which is creating the OAuth credentials here, or we create the OAuth credentials inside your Google Cloud project to generate first a client ID and second a client secret. And these credentials allow n8n to securely connect to your Google account and access Google Slides. If you remember here, n8n, those two values are what n8n is asking us for Google, my bad, client ID and client secret. To get those two values, we need to first create OAuth credentials. So to do this, from the same overview page, click on this create OAuth client. So here select an application type, for example, web app. Give it a name, for example, n8n-slides. This name is only used to identify the client in the console and will not be shown to end users. Scroll down to authorized redirect URLs, click on add URL. This link, you can get it from n8n. It is called OAuth redirect URL. Click on the link to copy it and then paste it here. Now click on create and wait a moment. As you see, the OAuth client is created and directly they give you your client ID. You can copy it from here, go back to n8n and paste it in the correct field. To get the client secret, simply close this window, also this message, and open the same client ID. And here in the client secrets, you will see your secret code. Click on this to copy it and then go back to n8n and delete those dots, paste it like this. And before trying to sign in with Google, we need to publish this web app first. To do so, click on audience and click on publish app. Push to production, yes, click on confirm. Now go back to n8n and click on sign in with Google. Here select the same account or Gmail address you was using in the Google console. Here click on advanced and click on this small link which is saying go to hostinger.cloud and save. Click on select all to give all required permissions and click on continue. As you see, connection successful. This means that your Google Slides account is well connected to n8n. You can also close this window. And now let's create a small workflow to creates a presentation in our Google Slides account. So for this, I will open this node, then select my Google Slides account. But before this, if you enjoy how I explain things in my videos and you want to go further with n8n, check out my full online course about n8n available on my website. You'll find the link in this video description. So for the credentials, I will go with my Google Slides account. For the resource, I will go with presentation. For the operation, I will go with create. And for this title of this presentation that will be created, I will call it this slide is created from or using n8n. And now first I will open my Google Slides account to see the created presentation. I will open it from here. I will go with slides, Google. Okay, I will click here. As you see, my Google Slides account have no presentation. And here, instead of executing simply solely this step, I will execute the workflow. Workflow executed successfully. And now if I go back to my Google Slides account, as you see, a new slide is created that with this name. This slide is created using n8n. And this is how to connect Google Slides to n8n. Don't forget to check out my full n8n online course from my website, link in the description. Also leave a comment below, give this video a like, and see you in the next tutorial.